The billions of digital interactions occurring every second eventually resolve into physical pulses of light inside these racks. Inside these facilities, the volume of data is difficult to comprehend. Millions of financial transactions, global communications, and database queries are processed every single second. And none of this hardware operates in isolation. A single web request might rely on thousands of interconnected servers distributed across the globe, all functioning together as one massive, synchronized organism. This interconnected environment functions at a tempo that is effectively decoupled from human perception. When something breaks in this environment, the traditional response is reactive. A failing component simply broadcasts a warning signal, hoping a human operator is paying attention. A single failure doesn't generate one clean alarm. It triggers a chain reaction, flooding dashboards with thousands of cascading warnings. While a human operator sifts through this noise, time passes. Every minute of downtime bleeds massive revenue. The bottleneck is no longer the hardware. We've engineered machines that outpace human thought, leaving our own reaction times as the greatest risk to system survival. Let's look at what happens when a silent error begins to form deep inside a specific hardware rack. Modern operations rely on constant observation, billions of telemetry data points. Temperature, power draw, latency are continuously ingested without fatigue or pause. This dual-axis line graph illustrates the exact moment of failure. The system detects a microsecond mismatch, a sudden spike in hardware temperature intersecting directly with a drop in data speed. This anomaly is registered in microseconds. A human staring at a dashboard wouldn't even see the pixel flicker. Perfect continuous observation at the machine level is the mandatory first step to catching a catastrophe before it happens. This telemetry feeds into AIOps, or artificial intelligence for IT operations. This is the cognitive engine responsible for analyzing the raw data. Because it understands context, AIOps immediately silences the downstream noise, entirely bypassing the alert fatigue that overwhelms human engineers. The AI correlates current conditions against years of historical crash data, matching the precise signature of the anomaly. Based on that exact match, the system generates a definitive prediction. A cascading failure will take down the network in exactly 45 seconds. Calculating the exact moment of failure ahead of time provides the only window narrow enough to prevent it. Analysis now shifts into the zero-touch action phase. The system doesn't ask for permission, it executes complex fixes autonomously. First, the system dynamically routes global user traffic away from the danger zone. Next, it logically isolates the failing hardware, establishing a strict quarantine to prevent the error from spreading. Finally, it deploys a targeted software patch, correcting the mismatch and healing the hardware. That entire three-step remediation sequence, reroute, isolate, and patch, was completed in milliseconds. The 45-second countdown never even reached 44. The crisis is completely resolved. The entire network remains perfectly online, and not a single human alarm ever rang. The era of reactive IT, waiting for a red light to blink and scrambling to fix it, is giving way to a new operational standard. Infrastructure is now proactive and self-healing. Complex systems diagnose and repair themselves as a silent, continuous background process. The economic math changes completely. When you eliminate downtime entirely, rather than just minimizing the time it takes to recover from it, you protect millions in revenue that would have otherwise vanished. The zero-touch workflow redefines system reliability. The goal is no longer asking how fast can we fix it, but ensuring it never breaks in the first place. So what happens to the IT professionals who used to fix these systems? Humans are elevated. They stop acting as manual operators pulling levers in the dark and become strategic architects, designing the operational boundaries and logic trees the AI relies on. Stepping back from the millisecond to millisecond reaction loop allows humans to define the governing logic that keeps the network stable at scale. And as our digital world grows increasingly complex, its ultimate success relies on its maintenance becoming completely invisible.